To turn your selfie into a comic art with Portrait Studio feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the desired portrait photo. To get the best result, make sure to choose portrait photo that has a clear face because this feature works best with well-lit, high-quality images of people. Next, tap the photo assist icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Portrait Studio button. Now, tap Comic Thumbnail. And then tap Generate button to let the AI to turn the selected portrait photo into a comic art. As you can see here, you will be provided with some result. You can swipe the result section to the left to see the other image. You can tap the down arrow icon or download icon to download the selected image and then save it to the download album on your gallery app. Or you can tap save copy button to save the selected image in the same album with the original photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.